This 2017 Newmar Mountain Aire 4553 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Hawthorne Decor, Sable Maple Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, self-contained, stove top burner, slideout, awning, water heater, leveling jacks, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2017 Newmar Mountain Aire 4553 is built on a Freightliner SL Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.